Hello, I think this is going to become an electronics content channel after all. Today I bring to you an analogical device for Reverb to record classical and acoustic guitar. So let's get started. First I'll show you the most important components I use for this circuit. I use this relay module for Arduino, but I connected it to a keyboard this way. It makes the relay switch between open and closed according to the frequency for the note I play. So I connected the in contact on the relay module to the keyboard, and it makes this. So you can see the relay opens and closes different way on every note and its frequency. This B is very interesting to apply some effects when the relay module closes and opens. So this gives me an idea. And if I use this cutting sequence the relay module makes for apply some effects like reverb in the exactly moment it makes the cut. So there will be some different types of reverb for every note and even every chord. So I made this simply preamp, very simple. I used a Russian IC, I think this one was made in Ukraine in 1992, but it was used in a lot of telephones sold here in Russia. I made it with two inputs. One for a little mic and the other one right here is for a piezo. If you want to make this, you can use another IC, just you have to connect the right pins. You can also use a BJT transistor for the preamp. So let's check out the relay module. Previously I connected this to a keyboard this way. Now it's connected that way. I took the reverb diagram from a reverb box with a spring. In this case, I used a guitar string and another mic. I put into all this device. So this mic is inside so close to the string to make the reverb effect. So here it goes, the array model. As I show you, it goes this way. This project is about applying an analogical reverb effect on your records, instead of making this effect in Audacity, in Cubase or other program. So this effect is unique because it makes a different sequence for applying reverb according to every chord. So this effect is unique because it makes a different sequence for applying reverb according to every chord. I think this is so cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep on making the music. Thumbs up. Bye.